everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another 2-page layout today. So I'm scrapbooking some photos from my youngest grandson's birthday last year. It's about time I get these done because this is, 9 months later or something like that. Anyway, I'm going to use this blue paper. It's Pebbles Happy Hooray. It's the Hooray paper. And that's going to unite the layout across the span of the 2 pages because I'm going to use 2 different background papers. I like doing that because then you don't have to worry so much if you don't have multiple sheets of paper in multiple colors. So I think that's a great way to do that. So you can still do that. And the other thing that I'm doing that I don't always do is I'm using a lot of dot elements or things that look like dots. So obviously the blue paper is a polka dot, but then I have a multicolored scattered dot on the left, and then I have this asterisk paper that almost looks like a dot. And normally I shy away from using more than one dot or polka dot on a layout, but I like how these all blend, and I think they read okay because they are different background colors. I think that blue in the background almost reads more as a kind of like a faux solid. That's how I use that paper a lot. It's kind of the same thing with the red, and I think it just works out really, really well. So I'm doing the thing that I do often. I think I talked about this last week, where if I have 6 photos, I'll run them 3 and 3 across the top of the 2 pages, or sometimes I'll do it on the bottom of the 2 pages. And then in this case, I only have 5 photos, but they were too much for one page. So actually I do have 6 photos. Sorry. I'm forgetting that. I have 5 portrait and 1 landscape of his birthday cake. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to I added those 5 photos across the top, and then I'm thinking I'm going to put that horizontal photo of the cake below right there. So it kind of calls attention to the fact that it's a birthday. It makes it look much more like a birthday layout. I mean, obviously he's opening a present there. That's my present to him. But there's a lot of stuff going on here that it doesn't really look like a birthday so much. So I thought that was kind of a good way to emphasize that. And then I can do that by embellishments as well too, obviously. And I think on this layout, if I remember correctly, my HTG was really misbehaving. So I just decided to get rid of that extra tape on the right. It always happens towards the end of the roll. That happens quite often. All right, so just getting there. So the multicolored polka dot paper is Pebbles Happy Hooray Cake Time paper. And then the red paper, which I haven't given you yet, is the Pebbles Happy Hooray Balloon Animals paper. And then what I'm doing here is I'm taking that diagonal stripe, which is the border strip from the blue paper, so the Hooray paper from Happy Hooray. And I'm just going to add that to the bottom of both photo mats. And again, that definitely sort of unites everything across that layout again, so that even though I have 2 different background papers, it helps your eye see it as one layout, especially because the way I store mine in binders, so there's a gutter between the 2 because I don't do something to get the 2-page layouts together. I mean, you can sew down them or staple them, that kind of stuff. I don't worry about that. All right, and then I didn't tell you this, the 4x6 card there, journaling card, is from Ellie's Studio. I did cut the top and bottom down a little bit so it would fit. Then I have that cake sticker, and that's from the Pebbles Birthday Wishes Accent Sticker Pack. So again, kind of helping emphasize the fact that this is a birthday. And then I have the Pebbles Birthday Wishes sticker book there. So I found that little dog that says happy birthday. He loves dogs, so I just thought that was kind of a cute way to do that. I found that sticker that I actually stuck, that tab sticker, I accidentally stuck it together, and it says time to celebrate. So I'll just pop that up on the top. I'm looking at other like phrase stickers that I can use. There's a whole thing of phrase stickers here. So this is a little banner sticker. And I like that, but the tail of the banner is going the wrong direction. So I'm kind of playing around with that, and I decided eventually, you know what? I'm going to cut the banner part off and then create a new one on the other side. Make it work for me. not the other way around. I think my daughter-in-law did take she forgot to take a picture at the birthday, and I didn't either. So the person who made her cake actually took a photo on her and put it on her, I think, Facebook page. So she got the picture from there. All right, so just adding those pieces in that I'd already decided on. And then I wanted something sort of birthday themed or something like that. So I'm adding in these little stickers of candy pieces, kind of to add some stuff into those two clusters, the top and the left hand clusters. I needed something else. I wanted another piece of candy, and I didn't have one that I liked the color, so I grabbed a pink piece of candy from that Birthday Wishes accent sticker sheet. That one didn't come from the sticker book. So I'm liking the way that looks. I'm leaving that left or the right page pretty simple, just that one sticker on there. There's so much going on the left page, I decided to just leave it. So then I'm going to add in these enamel dots from Doodlebug, the Sprinkles in Blue Jean. And then one thing that I did afterwards is I realized Time to Celebrate is the title, but I decided that I don't have a lot to say about this. It's a birthday. We scrap those every year. So I decided to add some Ellie Studio Puffy stickers, Puffy Alpha, to put number 3, because this is his 3rd birthday, on the bottom of that journaling card. I mean, I could have used even a bigger 3 there, because I wrote pretty big in the end. But I think that all works really well together. So just adding in these enamel dots here. All right, you guys, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.